Hello. Today, let's practice how to say Monday through Sunday in Korean. I will say each day of the week and you will repeat after me. Let's get started. 월요일, Monday. 월요일. 화요일, Tuesday. 화요일. 수요일, Wednesday. 수요일. 목요일, Thursday. 목요일. 금요일, Friday. 금요일. 토요일, Saturday. 토요일. 일요일, Sunday. 일요일. To say the day of the week, simply add 월, 화, 수, 목, 금, 토, 일 before the word 요일. Now, let's practice saying the days of the week. Try saying the days of the week on the screen. After you try, listen to me read it and check it. Practice 1. The days of the week are shown on the screen in order. 월요일, 화요일, 수요일, 목요일, 금요일, 토요일, 일요일. Practice 2. The days of the week are randomized on the screen. Let's go. 목요일, 토요일, 화요일, 일요일, 수요일, 월요일, 금요일. That's all for today. See you next time. Thank you.